For latest study material on competitive exams and world current affairs, politics, general science, job notifications, please do subscribe to RecTV Educations. In this video, we are going to learn about Indian budget and Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority (IRDA). Few points you are going to learn about these things, and in this we have total 10 questions. All are most important and top frequently asked questions. Please do concentrate to find the right answer from the multiple choice. Union Budget of India is referred in which of the following article? Article 109, Article 112, Article 180, Article 212. Union Budget of India is referred in which of the following article? The answer is Article 112. So, Union Budget is referred in Article 112 of Indian Constitution. The first Union Budgets of independent India was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, R.K. Shanmugha Shetty, Morarji Desai. The right answer is R.K. Shanmugha Shetty. The first Union Budget of independent India was presented by R.K. Shanmugha Shetty. What is the current exemption limit of income? What is the current exemption limit of income tax for general citizens? What is the current exemption limit of income tax for general citizens? It is 2.20 lakh per annum, 2.50 lakh per annum, 2 lakh per annum, 3 lakh per annum. What is the current exemption limit of income tax for general citizens is 2.50 lakh per annum. The only woman who holds the post of Finance Minister of India is Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Sucheta Kriplani, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The only woman who holds the post of Finance Minister of India is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is the only woman who holds the post of Finance Minister of India. Which ex-Prime Minister of India did not present the Union Budget of India? Which ex-Prime Minister of India did not present the Union Budget of India? Morarji Desai, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The right answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The ex-Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, did not present the Union Budget of India. Which committee recommended the establishment of IRDA? Which committee recommended the establishment of IRDA? P.N. Malhotra Committee, R.N. Malhotra Committee, D.R. Gadgil Committee, Rajmannar Committee. Which committee recommended to establish IRDA? It is R.N. Malhotra Committee recommended to establish of IRDA. Along with banking services, insurance sector contributes about -% of GDP of India. -% of GDP of India. 13%, 9%, 10%, and 7%. Along with banking service of insurance sector contributes about -% of GDP of India. It's 7% of GDP of India. When was IRDA established? 1965, 1954, 1999, 2001. When was IRDA established? It's 1999. 1999 IRDA was established. Taxes levied and collected by the union but assigned by to the states within which they are leviable. Find out the correct option from below. Taxes on transaction in stock exchange, taxes of sale and purchase of newspapers including advertisements, estate duty in respect of property other than agriculture land, stamp duty and duties of excise on the medical and toilet preparations. Taxes levied and collected by the union but assigned to the states within which they are leviable. It's the right statement you have to find. Only 1 and 2 are correct. That means taxes of stock exchange and taxes of newspaper advertisements. Only 1, 2, 3 are correct. That is newspaper, stock exchange and agriculture land. All are correct. Only 4 and 1 are correct. Stamp duty, sir. Which one is right answer? It's 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Taxes of sale and purchase of newspapers including advertisements is not is right answer. Tax on transaction stock exchange is the right answer. Estate duty is right answer. Stamp duty and duties of excise on the medical and toilet preparations is the wrong answer. To collect the tax was collected the union but states within they are leviable. Who is the current IRDA chief? J. Harinarayan, Rana Pratap, T.S. Vijayan, K.T.S. Tulsi. Who is the current IRDA chief? T.S. Vijayan. T.S. Vijayan. Thanks for watching Active Education. For more study materials, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please click on like button. And for more study materials, your requirement and your suggestions, please comment at the comment line. Do share the video to your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get directly videos to your mobile, latest updates and videos to your mobile. Thanks for watching the video.